Hi everybody, Queen Angelica here. Going to try the viral yogurt toast that you stick in the oven. So I got my mixture here of 1/3 of a cup of vanilla yogurt, a little cinnamon, 1 egg, and some honey. I used honey, some people use agave. I got my bread here. Now I just gotta pack it down in the middle, kind of make like a little pocket almost on top to hold the yogurt so it doesn't slide off the edges. Alright, and I got my little hole. So now I'm going to put the mixture. Hey, there's a chunk of honey in there. My honey got cold. Okay, we can't be having that. Put the mixture all over the bread. This is a lot of mixture. I don't think I need it all for this one piece. I probably could have used 2 pieces, but I'm just gonna test it out on this one piece. I got my berries. Some frozen strawberry, frozen raspberries, some blueberries. Little frozen mixture I got at Grocery Outlet for I think $4.99 for a giant bag. This looks like it's gonna be delicious. Okay, now we preheated our oven at 400 degrees. It is almost ready. We're gonna put it in for 10 minutes. This looks pretty good, honestly, if I could pick it up. Check it out. Ooh, that does, it looks delicious. Don't mind my very burnt cookie sheet. Works just fine. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I just checked it and it just doesn't quite seem ready. It says 10 to 15 minutes. So 5 more minutes and I will be back. Okay, 13 minutes for me and it's done. And it looks so good. Here, let me show you. Ooh. A little juicy. Now I've got to let it cool before we can try it. Okay, I think it's cooled enough. By the way, it smells like amazing. Ooh, brownage on that was perfect. I didn't drizzle it with any honey. All my honey is hard and crystallized. Yeah, pretty sure. Let me check. Yeah, it's all crystallized. All right, here we go. Crunchy. I see why they put the honey on. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. It's not bad though. Pretty good. I just didn't think it was gonna be so plain. It needs more oomph. I don't know. It's pretty good, but I would only rate this like a 4.5 out of 10. Anyway, thank you for coming and watching my show. I appreciate everybody who took the time to watch any of my episodes, any of my videos, anything. If you have any suggestions, please just comment below, like, subscribe, and I hope everybody has a great day.